Hello friends, I just realized some of the videos I uploaded now didn't have good sound, because as you can see I'm trying to increase the audio and video quality. That's why I moved around some microphones and new cameras on my computers. But yeah, so on the right one I have to install either a headset or the bigger mic which I've lying there. Sorry for that. Anyway, so allow me to give an update here on pound yen then. 161.871. So what I was saying in a nutshell is that so when you have the big input pairs such as dollar yen and then you look at the derivative pairs such as pound yen. So what you see most of the time, and that's where the correlation comes from, is that the market structure is similar. And also when you compare, let's say, the market structure of euro dollar with dollar yen right now, I mean, you can see euro dollar has longies and went down, dollar yen had shorties and went up. So understand that the correlation of those pairs is a result of the market structure, and it's quite remarkable that the smart money manages to get the money to be placed as it happens. Yes, I call this the luring principle. It shows in a way that their tricks work also in terms of getting traders on the wrong side of the market. Now when you look at let's say dollar yen and pound yen, so of course pound yen is driven by dollar yen as well as pound dollar, so the two big input pairs. And what you can often see is that, for example, the market structure is similar to, let's say, dollar yen. Right now, when we look at pound yen here on the 1 hour chart, it's neutral. There's not a trade. However, we can see that over the last 20 hours, the longies kind of dominated a little bit overall. There are also stops at the low. You see, so that's why it came off. And even though it does a pullback up, also driven by dollar yen, as described before. If longies dominate the market, yes, it could be that pound yen again goes for the low and the lower stops. Once dollar yen does the same and has a proper money switch, you see. So to explain that again in a more simple manner, first of all, also when you have, let's say, euro dollar and cable and then euro pound, okay? Euro pound is driven by euro dollar as well as pound dollar, yes? So it's driven by those two market structures. And obviously when you look at the market structure on euro pound itself, you see which kind of market structure dominates that derivative pair in any point in time. That's why I always look at all the input pairs when I place trades in those derivative pairs. That's why on the MK web you can see, you know, all the big as well as small pairs on different time frames. So what I was saying is that when you look at euro yen is driven by euro dollar as well as dollar yen. And as we know, we have longies in euro dollar and some shorties in dollar yen. But once dollar yen finished its job and did the final stop hunt up, and then as the dumb money switch and longies come in, it's very likely that euro yen does the same and has also a dumb money switch and longies come in and the market also turns down. You understand? Most of the time that's what happens, as you can see easily on the MK web. Yes. So coming back to Beast here, the same thing applies. Okay, it will probably, you know, do a pullback up. Once dollar yen had a dumb money switch and, you know, longies come in and it loses momentum, then pound yen also loses momentum. You understand? Obviously, if suddenly a lot of longies come into cable and cable goes for a big stop hunt down, this will push down pound yen as well, right? But these correlations I've explained in a separate video. It's always good to pay attention to that. But it's quite impressive how, you know, the correlations which are known, such as euro dollar having a somewhat negative correlation to dollar yen, or pound dollar having a positive correlation to euro dollar. These correlations are driven by the respective market structures. Okay, like now, look at the last updates. Euro dollar as well as pound dollar both have the money longies, and that's why they both went down together. As simple as that. Stay safe.